Have you ever wondered if real estate is the right investment for you? After all, as the saying goes, they aren't making any more land. So first, it's important to understand that real estate is a depreciating asset. Don't worry, you've probably already realized that if you've owned a home that needs to be updated. Buildings don't last forever. Typically, they have a lifespan of about 75 years. So maintenance costs, like upgrading lights, windows, and roofs, can add up quickly. So how can you make your real estate work for you? Well, the easiest way to make money in real estate is by increasing density. This is what developers do. They buy raw land and build subdivisions or tear down old houses to put up apartment complexes. And this requires significant capital and expertise. Another option is to improve properties yourself. So if you're handy and enjoy the work, this can be quite rewarding. However, it's essential to value your time. Doing the work yourself means you're essentially working for free. So if you don't want to deal with the hassles of real estate maintenance, consider investing in real estate through the stock market. This allows you to avoid the 4 a.m. phone calls about a leaky roof. And consider this, the hottest market in Toronto has seen properties worth $1 million now valued at $4.5 million over the last 25 years. But that top line number doesn't include any associated costs. And despite how big those dollars are, that's only compounding at 6.6%. And the stock market can easily compete with those returns and often with less hassle. So if you're interested in seeing if real estate is the right investment for you, or if you want to evaluate your current holdings, reach out to us. And think of us as the new executive on your team helping you make smart decisions.